Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla. Today I'm going to teach you how you can write a program in Python using ChatGPT with ease. Let's see. My program I have chosen for Fibonacci sequence in Python program by ChatGPT AI tool. How to build source code and how I can use and run in my PyCharm IDE. So let's see. ChatGPT is an open source software. There is a website it will be provided, chat.openai.com. It's a non-profit open source code. Write what you want. You need to prepare a question and ask the query to the ChatGPT how you send a message. The same way you will get the answer immediately. So getting better, it's a very everyday. And register now for free using Google or Microsoft account, anyone. And what you want to ask and test it. My question is, write a program to print Fibonacci sequence in Python. Take a copy of this. Now go back here and go to Google from your computer system and ChatGPT and hit enter. Now Google will give you like a first link, ChatGPT optimization. Yes, openai.com. And here is the ChatGPT is launched by November 2022, built on OpenAI's tool. Okay, so go here and now let's see. Here you need to go for try ChatGPT, an option try ChatGPT. Here it is there, and at the last also you will see an option try ChatGPT. Got it? Now once you logged in using, first if you are not logged in, it will ask you to sign up first using Gmail or Microsoft. You just create your account and go through it, and once you logged in this particular ChatGPT, you will see this window. Now here is an options of new chart. You need to click here, and or else here it is the cursor is blinking. You need to take a copy of that query and paste over here what you want to ask to the ChatGPT. See, write a program to print the Fibonacci sequence in Python, in JavaScript, in chatbot, like something else, C#, any language you want, you just replace this Python. That's it. Fibonacci series sequence program will be prepared by the ChatGPT. Will it? Let's see what happens. Send a message. I'm just asking a query to my ChatGPT OpenAI. See, artificial intelligence, how intelligent it is. It is analyzing your query first, then it will start a solution for yours. Let's see. Here is one way to write Python program to print the Fibonacci sequence. Let's see. It is initiated to function to print the Fibonacci sequence. It's creating a function to print a Fibonacci sequence. Let's see how the sequence is prepared and test the function n equal to 20 and all the program it is written, it's completed. Wow. And let's see this program function, what it is taken, how it is prepared, and all the described detailed information is also sharing with you. So what you need more? So now let's see, copy this code, copy this Fibonacci sequence code, go off any of your favorite PyCharm or any of Python code running, and Fibonacci. Yes, I am using to test this code like a PyCharm IDE. So here to print this Fibonacci sequence. Now let's see the same code. I have taken a copy using this copy code clipboard, and I have taken a copy, and now just see, come back here. Here I am pasted. So the defined function, some values, if else statements, and for loop it is used. Test the Fibonacci n equal to 10 n values, and I am calling this Fibonacci by using this 10 value to calling this function. Let's run this program. Run Fibonacci. Yes. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 5. Previous two numbers are the next number is the Fibonacci sequence, simple logic. So 5, 3, 8, 8, 5, 13. So the same, none. Go on up to 10 levels. We have given like n equal to 10 here. You check here. Like the program automatically. If you need more, you can add it to 20 or 30 and test it. The code is readily available now. What you need more? Yes, you apply your intelligence in this way. Now see here, you can also recursion to the Fibonacci series like this. Recursion program is also it's given one another way. So if you need more accurate answer and more any other corrections you need, you just add that query and regenerate response. It will regenerate and it will give you the one more code statement as well. What you need more? I hope Practice today and learn logical way. If you know the basics of Python, yes, you will be master in Python. Not only the Python and programming language, and as many skills you may ask to the computer system of ChatGPT, and you will be make a master more than others now. Thank you.